Hello everyone, this is Melvin from Pinto Multi Pro. Now we have right here a 2018 Honda Civic. As you can see, we bring this car to the alignment because it was disalignment, so everything was running very well. But after I bring the car to the alignment store, guess what? Now I cannot drive my car over the very slow. The gas is all complete to the deep, and I can pass over 13 miles per hour. And my check engine light is flashing, as you can see right there. Say, hey, what's going on here? If everything was fine, I just bring the car to do the alignment. When I connect my scanner right here, then say I have the misfire in the cylinder number 4, P0304. So as you can see right here, everything is shaking, right? When I take a look to the ignition coil before connect a scanner, guess what? This one look good, this one look good, this one also, but this one is off a little bit. So if everything was fine and now I have the problem and the cylinder 4 have a misfire, so that means they did something with it. Yeah, for me they threw out. Alright, now it's on. Okay, just make sure everything is fine. Let me take a look. Still the same problem. I cannot go over 13. My gas is all the way to the end, to the deep. My gas is all pushed, and I can pass over 17 miles. So let me stop right here. Alright. So I have to stay right here. Put in parking. And let me try to delete the code. Let me see if I can do it. Still I have the misfire on the cylinder number 4, even if the ignition coil is plugged. Let me go here. Let me put my parking brake. Alright. So read calls, store, no calls, pending calls. Okay, no pending call. Let me go back. The module 18, the real calls, story calls, no calls, pending calls. Okay, silent for me 530. Okay, this pending call. So permanent calls, no permanent call, just pending calls. So let me go back. The risk errors delete, errors in the call. P0304. Okay, error failure. Toolkey on with engine off. Sorry, I cannot do it, but I can remove the key because the battery is very low, so I can have a big problem. I do that. Let me go back. Let me go back to the house. I have another scanner. With that scanner, very bad misfire right here. This is 35 miles per hour street, but I can pass over 18. Big problem, right? Even if I put back the plug on the ignition coil for the cylinder number 4, and then say I have to, and then say still I have a pending call, P0304. Let me connect my another scanner. The other one doesn't need the car to turn off to do the job. Okay. Parking brake. Let me pull out the scanner. Let me connect this small scanner right here. Okay. I can turn off the. So let me do it very fast. Ignition on. Now with ignition on. Here is a code. Here is yes. Here is a code. I hope we'll turn on again. If no, I have to use my jumper. Now the code, no more code. Oh my goodness. My battery is dying again. Okay, I'm back. Uh-oh. Negative. Oh my goodness. Couldn't believe it. Okay. So. Absolutely. I need new battery to this car. Let me do a drive now. Oh, look good. It's feeling very good. Right, good, right? Oh my goodness. It was so exciting. Oh my goodness. The misfire still was there, even if I blew back, the ignition coil. So, for me, I don't know, but I think the guys over there on the alignment place, they take it out the plug just to let the customer go back, and the customer has to pay for another fix. And the only fix was put the plug into the ignition coil and reset the light. Oh my goodness, I don't know how the people can do that. But this is everything for today. Very nice. Very nice. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching Pintos Automotive Diagnostic Pro videos. Have a nice day. Oh yes. Very good. Bye bye.